So, as much as this is a book about the experience of travelling, the contemplation of cities that are vast in scale, and villages that are as remote and strange as anything Westerners are ever likely to encounter, it is also a book that tries to describe another kind of journey. Once you've picked a general topic for your paper, you need to come up with a thesis. Your thesis is the main and focal point of your paper, and it's the position you'll take on your particular topic. Formulating a strong thesis is one of the most important things you need to do to ace your paper.
Although it hails from a remote region of the western Himalayas, this plant now looks entirely at home on the banks of English rivers. Brought to the UK in 1839, it quickly escaped from Victorian gardens and colonized riverbanks and damp woodlands. Now it is spreading across Europe, New Zealand, Canada, and the US.
A recent study by Western researchers found that when animals produce sounds while sitting on the ground, like the chirping of crickets, their volume and range can increase by up to 10 times. This discovery challenges the conventional belief in the field of animal communication that the ground impedes sound transmission.
Stone tools have been essential tools for human survival throughout history. These primitive implements, crafted from rocks and shaped by skilled hands, enabled early humans to hunt, gather, and build shelters. Stone tools served as a testament to our ancestors' resourcefulness and adaptability in the face of challenges.
The researchers think that long-distance flyers such as the American golden plover and the white-rumped sandpiper picked up the spores while lining their nests. Then, when the birds arrive in new places, they molt, leaving behind the feathers and their precious cargo to start growing again at the other end of the world.
Most birds can bend their wings at the wrist, pulling arched wings close to their bodies to navigate their way through dense vegetation like branches. But hummingbird wings aren't as flexible. Because the wings stick straight out from a hummingbird's body, getting through tight spaces requires some tricky maneuvering.
Faster communications have irrevocably altered the way we communicate and interact with others, ushering in a new era of interconnectedness that has transformed the world into an interconnected global village. The emergence of cutting-edge technologies such as the internet and mobile devices has enabled us to transmit information at unprecedented speeds.
While blue is one of the most popular colours, it is one of the least appetizing. Food researchers say that when humans searched for food, they learned to avoid toxic or spoiled objects, which were often blue, black, or purple. When food dyed blue is served to study subjects, they lose appetite. The beginning of the 21st century will be remembered not for military conflicts or political events, but for a whole new age of globalization, a flattening of the world. The explosion of advanced technologies now means that suddenly knowledge pools and resources have connected all over the planet, leveling the playing field as never before.